Great and beautiful monuments come with a perfect and impeccable combination of invisible but significant components. It is these essential contributors that help create the top-notch structures and are able to connect the world together to make it perfect. For the past 10 years, we at Red Bob Chemicals have continuously dedicated ourselves in creating innovative products which are not visible but are an integral part of beautiful things that we see or use, such as adhesives, anchors, admixtures, sealants, paints, wall putty, and many more.
Hello, I am serving in Red Oak since 2010 by managing core HR activities in our organization. In Red Oak, we are constantly working for the development of business through the development of people and society, because it is also a part of our culture to make benefit other first before us, and we think that this is the only way to make society more strengthened. We produce and offer 70 plus of products for all kind of civil construction. All our customers are very happy and satisfied by using our products and services, and this defines the scale of our company.
Over the years, we kept continuous efforts to excellence that drives us to develop products and solutions that are not just top quality but also innovative and capable to fulfill the need of the market growing demands. We have two manufacturing units at Rajkot and Kutch in Gujarat and one in Jaipur, Rajasthan, with a combined production capacity of 12,000 ton per month.
नई प्रोडक्ट R&D डिपार्टमेंट में डिज़ाइन करते हैं। वो डिज़ाइन की हुई प्रोडक्ट प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट में कैसे बनाई जाए उसका भी हम लोग स्टडी करते हैं, और वो प्रोडक्ट QC डिपार्टमेंट में कैसे टेस्टिंग करना है, कैसे उसका पैरामीटर सेट करना है, वो भी हम लोग स्टडी करते हैं। और R&D सेंटर में हम लोग वो प्रोडक्ट को एनवायरनमेंट में उसका टेम्परेचर एप्लीकेशन करते वक्त क्या रहेगा वो भी हम लोग टेस्टिंग करते हैं। प्रोडक्शन, QC, एनवायरनमेंट, एप्लीकेशन और सेफ्टी को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम ये प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में लॉन्च करते हैं।
Research and innovation has always been one of the key drivers of our consistent growth rate, and at Red Bow, we focus on utilizing technology to its optimum. As our main R&D facility in Rajkot, which is heavily supported by our R&D team and advisors from across the globe, we develop all our products in-house, all done with the help of strong research-driven innovation overlaid with consumers' insight.
Red Oak Construction Chemical Private Limited is operating its R&D department in Rajkot, which is fully furnished with standardized equipment and well-skilled manpower. We are dealing with variety of construction-related chemicals in our retail market, but sometimes what happens, our customer needs some specified and unique products. For that, we have to collect the data from our market. With the help of our sales executive, we get all these data, and then we set a meeting for discussion. In meeting, we get concluded with a design product. That design product we provide in our production house so that they can manufacture the products as per the standardization which is mentioned in our ERP system. Once the product gets manufactured, our QC personnel collects the samples and perform a various tests over it as per the requirement of our customers. Once QC personnel confirm the product or passes the product, then only we approve the product for dispatch. The final and the main thing comes to us is that of documentation. For documentation, we collect all the history data which we have done trials from the very beginning and save it to our ERP system, so that we can get the data or fetch the data whenever we want for our future and to develop a new product.
Over the years, we have transformed drastically and the trend continues. Our event grand infrastructure and the end product tell you the whole story. With our headquarters in Rajkot, Gujarat, we have a team of more than 300 wholesalers and 15,000 retailers across India to ensure the timely availability of our products to all our customers. With these stats, we boost the widest range of construction chemical products in sectors such as aviation, road and transportation, dam and irrigation, marine, petroleum.
We Redwop Chemicals manufacturing all types of construction chemicals and leading in India. We are leading our business with our vision to operate autopilot mode in healthy condition worldwide. We reduce the inequality and giving the strengthening to the society and to be world leader in construction chemicals. Presently we are working with 2 operating plants, one Gujarat and second Rajasthan. Also we are planning to install 3rd unit in Tamil Nadu and 4th manufacturing unit in Odisha. We sell our product in pan India. Internationally we are selling our product nearby country like Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Middle East country Yemen, African country Kenya, and also we are planning to sell our product in US and European country also. We developed 3 products as per customer demand. Product name is Prolix Extra, Metsem CL30P and Microcon 100 PT. Prolix Extra is used for big tiles installation. It has some deformability which prevent the breakage of tiles, and Metsem CL30P second product we are using for the industrial RCC repairing and RCC road repairing. The product has properties of anchoring to RCC and giving the smooth surface at the tops. Third product we have developed to repair RCC at overhead area. We respect and appreciate to our customer, dealer, stockist and supplier, and also all the person who involved in our business with our success journey.
Redwop is a hallmark of quality, persistence, hard work and innovation, not only in construction chemical industry, but in a vision that is innovating for a better world.